think for both of the sexes, anybody who is of any age, money should be your first priority.
So money does buy happiness.
For me, it does. I don't know who says that. Who said money doesn't buy happiness? We wanted to start a small brick and mortar, matcha store for girls specifically.
Why do we choose matcha? What are the benefits that we need to know?
So it has some, things like there's L-theanine in it, there is ECGC in it, which is good for your heart health. It is good for your skin. It is good for your body. I got in touch with a lot of matcha manufacturers from Japan directly. We didn't want anybody from India.
Like, is it possible to cultivate it in India?
No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so. China does it, I believe. But Japan has been doing it since
So you're getting the authentic matcha to India.
Yeah. That was my main goal. Shout out South Kashmir. They're like the coolest people. What? They buy so much matcha. I'm like, bro.
खुशामदीद लवली पीपल्स, आप देख रहे हैं शी मीन्स बिजनेस और मैं हूं उमायमा ऋषि। नाजरीन, कहते हैं अच्छी चाय बातें शुरू करती हैं, लेकिन आज वी गॉट अ टी, बट नॉट चाय वाली टी, वी गॉट matcha टी। वी हैव विद अस टुडे watcha matchas Alize Rasool.
Hi.
Alize, you're looking matcha today.
Yeah, I'm like wearing green because of that. I didn't know, but the moment you said it, I was like, okay. I'm wearing matcha wala color.
Okay. So Alize, before we move ahead, मैं शुरू से शुरू करूंगी। तो आप मुझे अपने बचपन के बारे में बताएं। आप कश्मीर से कहाँ से हैं और पढ़ाई कहाँ से हासिल की?
So basically, I am half from Srinagar and half from Ganderbal. My father is from Ganderbal, my mother is from Srinagar. I've started in convent, presentation convent.
We have to do this. We'll have to do this, okay? I guess once a conventee?
Always a conventee. I have to do it, actually.
Yeah. Okay, me too.
So I then...
By the way, if you guys are curious and you... लोग पूछते हैं comments में. Oh, this is just water.
Okay? Yeah.
I don't care. Chalo ji. So garmi hai, you have to stay hydrated.
Of course, definitely. Drink a lot of water, everybody. So I did my 12th class to Kashmir mein, and then uske baad I gave a lot of exams, like everybody else. बहुत ज़्यादा exams दिए मैंने. I did my वो engineering का, then मेरे को वो animal वाला BUMS or whatever वो भी निकला था. Then I thought कि चलो मैं शायद BBA कर लूँगी. I gave an exam for that.
So you got into everything?
Yeah, almost. But I was not sure कि मुझे करना क्या. So I joined women's college.
Okay.
So I was like हाँ ठीक है. But वहाँ पे एक technical गलती मुझसे क्या हो गई, मैंने science subject लिया. लेना चाहिए था मुझे English or something around those lines. But I was not comfortable because you are from convent, you know, हमारा बहुत strict माहौल है स्कूल में.
Exactly.
मेरे को actually वो cultural shock kind of लग गया वहाँ पे कि यहाँ पे इतनी आजादी कैसे है. मैं तो कल तक ribbon लगा के आती थी स्कूल. Like what's happening?
And that should be white.
Yeah,
clean as white.
They check your nails till 12th grade. That's insane. And उसके बाद I was like, I told my father that I'm unhappy, and I was like, I knew you'd be unhappy. It's time for you to go out. So he said, आप CS करो, which is company secretary, chartered accountancy types. So I was like, ठीक है. Then I moved to Delhi, did my course and all of that. उसके बीच में, when I passed 11th grade, in 12th class, I started interning for different magazines based in Delhi. It was, वो culture just start हुआ था, जो वो कैसे बोलते हैं इंटरनेट पे जो आपकी वेबसाइट्स होती है, लाइफस्टाइल वेबसाइट्स. सो आई वाज डूइंग देयर कंटेंट राइटिंग एट दैट टाइम सिंस 12th grade. फिर आई कंटिन्यूड अ लॉट ऑफ इंटर्नशिप्स व्हाइल आई वाज डूइंग माय जॉब. स्टडीइंग एक्चुअली. उस वक्त आई आल्सो translated a Sanskrit book into English for a guy.
Wow.
Yeah, it was
You knew Sanskrit or what?
No, he was helping me. I was like translating it for him in English. Like he was talking, he was telling. We used to go to this place called Chayos in Nehru Place. We used to meet every week.
Okay.
We used to sit together, drink tea, and then वो संस्कृत में जो उसकी किताब थी वो पढ़ता था हिंदी में, and I used to write it in English. And it was a small booklet, but I did that while I was in college.
That's lovely.
So उसके बाद I went into the corporate ladder because मेरा जो course है वो corporate के ही लिए. It's like company law. You can't go anywhere else.
Yeah.
And that was, people hate it, but honestly, it was my game. I love the corporate ladder. The moment I joined it, I knew I have to go there.
Okay.
I don't want to, I don't care about hard work. I still wake up at 5:30 a.m. in the morning to start my work because I work for Australian people. So फिर वही बस कॉर्पोरेट आई स्टार्टेड एज एन एंट्री पर्सन, जो नॉर्मल छोटा बच्चा काम पे आता है उसको यहाँ वहाँ को आता है.
Yeah.
Eventually abhi I am leading the operations department of an Australian brand,
Okay.
apart from the business and all. So it's like I'm the operations director there. So yeah,
You're still into 9 to 5.
I don't want to leave it. I don't know. It's like an addiction. I don't know.
But why so? Why so? There might be something.
Yeah, there is. See, I come from a family जहाँ पे all of the people are नौकरी पेश, quote and quote.
अच्छा.
Nobody has done any business. किसी को business का भी नहीं पता है. सब नौकरी करते हैं. और हम सबको या engineer बनना था या doctor बनना था. या मेरे father is very liberal, जिसकी वजह से my sister studied fashion and I did company law. Rest of all of us are engineers and doctors.
Okay.
So business ka, you know, there's never been anything. But when we wanted to do it, our father was like, yeah, go ahead, do whatever you want to do. But I didn't want to lose that security, monthly, पैसे आने की security.
वो था,
and honestly, I like to be busy. As a business owner,
Yes.
it's always easy for you to, you know, relax and be like, oh, मेरी team देख लेगी.
Exactly.
But
And
I
you
like,
get lazy also.
I want to wake up early. I want to wake up and I want to be frustrated all the time. मुझे बहुत काम करना है, you know. I like that. People don't, but I do. I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're a tough person, not an easy one. Acha.
I like working hard. I like money.
Okay.
I'm very, very money oriented. I'm a Capricorn, so I'm supposed to like money. So yeah, I can't live without money. So
you think money is a necessity in life? Like you have to have it?
As a woman, even as a man, I think for both the sexes, it's not just about one person. For both of the sexes, anybody who is of any age, money should be your first priority.
So money does buy happiness?
For me, it does. I don't know who says that. Who said money doesn't buy happiness? Who said it? No, they're wrong. They're just wrong. I know people are going to hate me for that, but money buys you everything and happiness. And then obviously namaz bhi zaruri. I don't want people
I
to
didn't
say.
see this coming. Okay. Yeah, well, that's true. You
Right.
have to remember the one who created money.
He is sending everything. Obviously, I believe I'm like a very. I don't look like a religious person, but I am extremely close to my religion. I believe in Allah like crazy तरीके से. अगर मेरे पास ₹1 नहीं होगी account में, I know He's going to send it, and He does. He does.
Really? So you're well connected, huh?
I love my Lord very, very, very closely. And मेरे को तवक्कुल पे बहुत भरोसा है, तो मुझे लगता है कि सब कुछ जो भी आपको चाहिए ना, He's going to give it to you. So yeah, namaz is important.
Yes.
Very important.
Well, this was very like
out of the box. कई लोग बोलते ना पैसा कर रही है शायद religion के बारे में भूल गई है सब.
Okay. So Alize, ये थी आपकी एजुकेशनल जर्नी, राइट? तो मुझे बता दीजिए, ये जो आपकी कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ है, इससे आप सीधे वाचा माचा पे कैसे लैंड हुई?
It's a funny story.
I
So
need to know.
basically, I love coffee. Like I'm a huge coffee drinker.
Okay.
And I don't even like wo usual jo generally foamed coffees. I like my coffee to be very strong, very dark. It should give me anxiety. Utni hard. I really like it.
Okay.
But then, as somebody who has suffered with mental issues in a way that I have had anxiety in my college years, and my elder sister has like holded my hand during that period, and I don't want to take that away from her. But coming to the point, coffee used to really, you know, give me bad jitters. It's not just for the sake of it, I'm saying, but सच में मेरे को coffee पीने से बहुत issues होते हैं. I was like, oh, चलो matcha start करते हैं, just I'll drink it. I started drinking it, and I remember I was in Kashmir, and I was like, मुझे matcha भी नहीं है. And a friend of mine, he took me to Lavelle, यहाँ पे cafe, and we went there. They had good matcha, not bad. I was like, oh, कुछ अच्छा नहीं है. Let me just start a cafe, you know, out of blue. ऐसे कुछ plan नहीं था. I was like, हम क्यों नहीं matcha cafe start करते हैं? So we were like, we called it Kosher Matcha Bar. Yeah, that was the start. Okay. We wanted to start a small brick and mortar, you know, matcha store for girls. Specifically. It was, you know,
only
targeted.
for girls.
Not just men could also come, but plan tha, it was women oriented. So as we started taking a lot of samples, me and my sister, we started taking in samples from different manufacturers, but honestly, बहुत ज़्यादा बकवास क्वालिटी. ये क्या बेच रहे हैं, हो क्या रहा है मार्केट में, बहुत गंदा है. फिर मैंने चुनाव को बोला, यार हम खुद ही क्यों नहीं matcha स्टार्ट करते हैं? Why don't we do it ourselves? She's like, हाँ, let's do it. I mean,
ये कब की बात?
This is literally last year.
Last
year, like start of last year, I believe. हाँ, अभी 1 साल होने वाला है. And we were like, ठीक है. So we started speaking. I got in touch with a lot of matcha manufacturers from Japan directly. We didn't want anybody from India. Like I had people who called me who said, "आपको matcha चाहिए ना?" We were like, "Yes, we need matcha." मैंने बोला, "आपका कहाँ से उगती है आपकी matcha?" And he said, "Jalandhar." कि Ludhiana. I was like, how are you growing matcha in Ludhiana? Are you okay? What are you selling? So
does that happen?
I don't know. Probably it was a prank call or something. I don't know. Something. I don't know. What was he saying? Green tea mat bech raha tha. I don't know. What he was saying
Okay.
probably selling something, but not really sure what. So we got in touch with a lot of matcha manufacturers from Japan directly, and then we selected 5 samples that we had. We drank them. Khud hum peete the. Like we used to make it on our own, drink it. Our specifications, were the shade, कितना टाइम शेड हुआ है, किस लोकेशन पे ग्रो हुआ है, और कैसे ग्रो हुआ है, कैसे ग्राउंड हुआ है. बिकॉज जैसे ग्रीन टी और माचा में ये डिफरेंस है कि व्हेन यू ड्रिंक ग्रीन टी वो आप एक पूरा लीफ लेते हो, यू स्ट्रेन इट इन वाटर, लाइक सीप इट इन फॉर सम टाइम गर्म पानी में, देन यू ड्रिंक इट. बट विद माचा इट्स totally different. They come from the same family, but it's literally different. उसको शेड कितने दिनों के लिए होगा वो, एंड फिर जब आप उसको पिक करते हो, when it's picked, there are people who hand pick it, there are some people who pick it through a machine, which is दोनों में it's totally fine, but we have to take the stems out. The stem has to get out. There should be no veins in it, and then you have to dry it up. उसके बाद ground होता है वो via a stone. You can't do it via a machine.
Okay.
So all of that we had to really take care of कि सब कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है. And then we finalized our location. We thought Shizuoka is a place in Japan.
Shizuoka?
Yes. So we're like,
I just remember something.
Shinchan or somebody had Shizuoka वहाँ पे. Nobita की girlfriend थी.
Yeah. Doraemon. Yeah.
Shizuoka is a place. We tasted one from Yuji also, few from Shizuoka, and there's a place called Kagoshima, I believe. वहाँ से भी we tried.
Okay.
But the problem, it's not a problem, it's actually the flavor profile of matcha. It is different from, every location has a different profile. It is nutty, it is umami from other place, थोड़ा कहीं vegetal होता है. So we selected Shizuoka because Shizuoka वाली is very umami. Umami ना वे कश्मीरी में हुरमिर्च खाते हैं ना, हुरमिर्च खाते हैं ना लोग.
What is that?
You're so young, dude. Like, oh my God. Whoever is old enough would know.
Okay.
Kashmir में हुरमिर्च.
Educate me on this.
So there's this thing called हुरमिर्च. हुरमिर्च होती थी मिट्टी, लोग खाते हैं.
मिट्टी?
हाँ, कश्मीर में खाते थे. Like, where are you from?
From here, only
Ask your
never.
mama, okay, about it. So उसमें ना बहुत earthy feel आती है.
अच्छा.
It is very earthy, and I liked it because of that. Even my cousin, she drank so much of matcha the first time I gave it to her. She's like, "Oh, can you give me a tin? I really want it." मुझे वो feeling आ रही है कि मैं हुरमिर्च खा रही हूँ. You know, and we have that in our organic one. We have that profile, and I selected it because of that profile, because it gives you that earthy umami vibe, and it's so great. So we were like, okay, we are going with that. Then we selected the kind of matchas that we want. So we have, for business to business, we do have a lot of types. The most expensive, the less expensive, but for people who are our direct clients who buy stuff from us, like our customers, unke liye we've just kept 3 types.
Okay.
One is our organic, and we are like JAS certified. We have taken certifications from Japan directly.
Lovely.
So that our customers know कि वो सच में organic पी रहे हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि फिजूल में हम बोल रहे हैं. And then we have inorganic. Then we have just one, which is a little थोड़ा सा, quality में कम, which is the classic one.
Okay.
So these 3 are just for our consumers. Rest, for when it comes to businesses, we do have a lot of option, because a lot of businesses want lesser quality for bulk buying. So yeah, that's what happened.
That's
a lot.
Roller coaster.
Yes.
So I want to know, मतलब Japan का मतलब देखना, it involves the whole process, right?
Yeah.
You had to check things and see, like, will it work over here or not? तो इस process में बहुत time लगा होगा और investment भी लगी होगी.
Yeah, for sure.
How did you do that?
So I want to give a huge shout out to my father. My father has been extremely supportive. When we started it, he was like, he has never asked us the question. Like, हमारी life में जो हमें करना था, he has been that backbone. And touch wood, हमारे नानी side वाले भी, they've like grown us up. उस वक्त I told my father कि we're not sure, like कैसे invest होगा, क्या होगा, and he was like, don't worry about it. कुछ भी होगा, I'll be there for you. You don't have to worry about it. So pehle to investment wala I was not worried because it is bootstrap in a way that we invest our own money. Whatever we get from it, we invest it back.
Okay.
So we're not taking a B for the first 2-3 years. We have decided that we don't want to take on any money from the brand and spend it as profit.
Okay.
It's like going back into the brand for like abhi recently what we did for the first year hamare even the tins that we selected we
Okay.
physically selected them कि उनका एयर टाइट कितना होना चाहिए वो क्या होना चाहिए तो उसमें हमारा जो
You had to go there to do this
to Japan no tins to we bought from India only but tins भी बहुत मैटर करते हैं matcha में because matcha oxidizes like crazy.
Okay.
जो ही आप वो ओपन कर रहे हो if you don't put it in fridge या एयर उसको ज्यादा टच हो गया it will go brown or yellow and then you will think कि मैं तो घास पी रही हूँ because it oxidizes very quickly. So we had to be very particular about the packaging also.
Yes.
So when we decided the dabbas ना उसमें we पहले हमने क्या किया था we had a silver foil packaging जो डब्बे के अंदर जाती थी then you could just open the package dip your matcha in it and then store it in a fridge. But recently what we did is like 4-5 महीने in the month of April actually कुछ time पहले we started getting Ziplocs also.
Okay.
So that our customer feels कि वो उसमें भी store कर सकता है. It is more airtight. तो बहुत सारी intricacies भी हमने इसमें देखी थी and we didn't really care about investment and all उस time पे because the point was to get the best product in the market and it was not just Kashmir. मुझे मैं honestly बोलूँगी मेरे को जब मैंने start किया था Kashmir was not my target audience because मेरे को नहीं पता थी कश्मीर में लोग पीते हैं या उनको पता है इस बारे में कि नहीं it's not that
it's something new.
Yeah, it is something new and I was not sure about the market so it was never my priority. मेरा पहला ही था कि I want to go pan India. But the funniest thing happened is we started getting so many orders from Kashmir. Like so even B2B businesses are taking orders from us.
Wow.
And it was such a fresh situation for me. I was like so happy, especially from South Kashmir. Shout out South Kashmir. They're like the coolest people. What? They buy so much matcha. I'm like, bro.
This is unexpected.
Yes. Okay. Remotest villages of South Kashmir, we have sent our matcha to them.
Oh my God.
And from Delhi. तो हम कश्मीर में होते नहीं हैं. And we're like so happy. It makes me really happy. Because this shows that people are experimenting.
Yeah.
They're trying new things. And yeah, that was
So I want to know because now you said like Kashmir में भी इसकी काफी like audience बन चुकी है.
100%. Yeah.
So why do we choose matcha? What are the benefits that we need to know?
So basically, see, I'll be honest here. It is
because
not a medicine.
हमें यहाँ बहुत like we are full on noon chai and Lipton chai.
I love
and
noon chai. Yeah.
You cannot replace these things. But at the same time, what is the alternative to it?
See, I'll be honest with you. I don't want to go all preachy here. वो कि मेरी matcha आपको 2 दिन में ठीक कर देगी. It's not that. It's not a medicine. Period.
Okay.
It won't. It is there. It has some things like there's L-theanine in it. There is ECGC in it, which is good for your health, for your heart health.
Okay.
It is good for your heart health. It is good for your skin. It is good for your body. It doesn't give you a lot of anxiety like coffee does. But साथ में it is not a medicine. It is not like green. It helps with your weight also, like green tea. But matcha में क्या है कि it has a lot of caffeine also.
अच्छा.
Because when you I'll talk about green tea. When you take green tea ना आप उसको उसका it is very dry and then you जो मैंने बोला पानी में डालते हो blah blah blah. इसमें you literally ground the whole leaf. तो उसमें there is like 20 to 30% of caffeine in it. So it will give it is there to my suggestion, not as a businesswoman, I don't want to go ahead and say buy my matcha, it will fix your life. No, I would say buy it because you want to enjoy drinking it. Drink it once a day or maybe twice a day if you want to. And experiment with it. Matcha is not just make ko chai peene. It's not like that. It is we do so much fun with our videos. If you see our page, we like experiment. You can add fruits to it. You can add your milk to it. You can play with it. To be honest, the world is on Instagram. So it does not have
a particular taste, but you can experiment a lot.
It has a particular taste. It is umami. It is earthy. For some brands, it must be vegetal also. Thoda grassy flavor bhi profile aata hai. But then you can play with it so much. It is not like coffee or noon chai or Lipton chai that you can't do anything with it. You can play around. It can be your buddy. You can just have so much fun with matcha. So do it for fun. Drink it for fun. You don't always have to drink stuff for not
Yes.
being it is a healthy drink. I don't want matcha community to come and hit me and say you said matcha is not healthy. It is
Okay.
a very healthy drink, an awesome alternative to coffee.
Mhm.
If coffee is giving you jitters, you can go ahead and drink matcha. But then again, why do we always have to put things into boxes? Just
Yes.
have fun with it.
Mhm.
That's my thing. Yeah.
That's lovely, actually. So I want to know, because you started this last year only,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And 1 year now,
Hmm.
most probably. So how is the response towards your matcha?
Awesome. Unexpectedly great.
Mm.
I'm telling you, we're not doing any
Pan
ads.
India?
Pan India. We have so basically when I started the brand now, I told you I wanted to do it for the girls.
Mhm.
I don't want boys to feel bad, but I wanted to do it for the girls. So when we started it, मेरा पहले ये था कि मेरे को ज़्यादा पैसा इससे कमाना नहीं है.
नहीं.
I want to create a community out of it.
Mhm.
And I'm not saying it just for the sake of, we actually have a community.
Mhm.
कि जहाँ पे we have repeat customers who just buy matcha from us, like constantly they come back to us, 3-4 order करते हैं. And then we have people who ask us so many questions, whether it is how to make it, how not to make it, like how much water to use, and I make sure that I answer all of those questions myself. I don't ask my sister to do it or our team to do it. I do it myself so that they feel connected to the brand. We have created friendships because of this community. Abhi recently, like since the last, even when we started the brand, now uske baad hi we had so many brands coming from, Delhi se हमारे पास बहुत सारी communities आ रही थी that they want to do events. And I didn't want to do it with anybody. The only reason was because I wanted to invite our own customers to it. Because they have, I will be very honest, I know people who have ordered stuff. I know their addresses. एक हमारी customer है जिसके watchman की भी शक्ल मुझे पता है. Honestly, so it is like that.
So funny.
Yeah, because the porter, he sent me a picture. मैम मैंने दे दिया इसको, तो I
अच्छा.
now remember his face also.
Okay.
उसको थी वहाँ वो blue shirt में हुआ बंदा, उसको दे देना matcha. So I do it myself, and the response has been, and I forgot to mention, we're not doing any ads.
Okay.
We're not doing it. We don't. It is all organic. We're not even boosting our post. Nothing.
Wow.
And Allah Mubarak, Allah ke fazlo karam se, it has become really good.
Mhm.
And we want to grow it a bit more than it is right now, majorly because of the community part. We want to do events and stuff like that. But yeah, we're taking it slow because we have Khan coming up also, as I told you, our clothing brand. उस पे मेरा ज़्यादा थोड़ा focus हो गया है, and my sister has taken over Watcha Matcha. But yeah, it's going alhamdulillah. really.
मोहब्बत वही जो दिल से हो, इबादत वही जो दिल से हो, दुआ वही जो दिल से निकल आए, बात वही जो दिल से कही जाए, दोस्त वही पक्का जो दिल से साथ निभाए, रिश्ता वही बेजोड़ जो दिल से जोड़ा जाए. दिल से ही तो होते हैं इरादे चट्टान से, दिल से ही तो बनते हैं घर खाली मकान से. दिल से बनी हर चीज पुश्तों तक चलती है, इसलिए खैबर सीमेंट का जर्रा जर्रा दिल से बना है, ताकि आप जो कुछ भी बनाएं दिल से बनाएं. खैबर सीमेंट, दिल से बनाओ.
Lovely. So before we get into like your Khan brand,
Yeah.
I want to know what's the story behind that. But अभी मुझे बता दीजिए जो Watcha Matcha है, like not on daily basis, I must say, like monthly, how many orders do you get of the
I don't
product?
want to numbers, but it's good. It's really good. Yeah, it's really good. But I'll be honest, जो हमारा अभी recently war जो हुआ था, उसकी वजह से the production halted a bit.
Okay.
In a way that हमें matcha नहीं आ पा रही थी हमारे पास. Then also we didn't want to increase the prices. We are paying so much to the manufacturer. यहाँ से हम prices भी increase नहीं कर रहे हैं, because already matcha is a bit pricey, to be honest, because of the process and all. You can't matcha, if your matcha is cheap, know that it is bad. For real. हाँ.
But to like get it exported,
it becomes a लंबा process, right? तो उस चक्कर में थोड़ा सा हमारा dip हुआ था in that phase, like a month. But overall, if I look at it, we've been doing really good,
Okay.
unexpectedly good.
Mhm.
With like we have हमारा जो पहला batch आया था matcha का, it sold out within like first 26 days, I believe. And then दूसरा वाला, it took 2 months. Then we get it in batches
Mhm.
because we also have to store it now.
Yeah.
And we don't want to store. And generally what matcha brands do, they don't put expiry date.
Yeah.
I tell my manufacturer, bro, you have to put expiry date on it. I don't want to, give something to my consumer.
Yeah.
फिर वो बेचारा पी के बीमार हो जाएगा. Even if we have losses, I don't care. But we put an expiry date on our dabbas. It's very important for us. So what we do there is, उसकी वजह से we had a slow span for like 2 months, but overall, great response. Like touch wood, really good response.
That's
really
lovely.
good.
That's so
Yeah.
lovely. So, abhi ye sab you are doing just online, right?
Yeah.
You don't have a store for this, right?
We don't want to. We actually want to open a cafe
Mhm.
somewhere down the line. A matcha bar in Kashmir.
Mhm.
Because I want my girls to have a matcha bar here where they
Okay.
come and have their matcha.
Okay. I'll
and
be the
clear.
first one.
Yeah.
I need to try this. I've never tried matcha,
Really?
by the way.
You should have told me. I would have gotten you one dabba.
No, I'll come now
Yeah.
to your bar.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
So we've decided. I don't want boys to feel like they cannot come. They can come, but
Okay.
I want to create a space for girls where they can, click pictures,
Mhm.
have their matcha, do lessons, matcha workshops, and everything. So like an experiential
Okay.
situation. Like it's not just the point with you ask me why I'm doing my job also. This is the reason. If I just do my business,
Mhm.
मेरे को हमेशा दिमाग में रहेगा कि मुझे वहां से पैसा निकालना है.
Mhm.
जो मुझे पता है ना, मेरे पास नौकरी है तो पैसा तो आ रहा है मेरे पास, तो यहाँ
Exactly.
मैं खुला उड़ा सकती हूँ.
Mhm.
I can give to the community. I want to give it to my
Yes.
girls, give them that freedom. वो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
But
वहाँ पे.
you are basically like dealing with both of these things, having a corporate life and also at the same time building a business. It's not that easy. How do you manage it?
I love working.
I know, but are you able to like
Yeah,
give time
it's
to
fun.
both?
See, वहाँ पे my father comes in the picture.
Acha.
He I don't know how. I don't want to demean anybody else's father and say कोई और नहीं कर सकता है. But what our father does is something that is nobody else can do it. I don't think a man can do it.
Mhm.
He is our mother. Like he's our mother and our father.
He's been everything to
He
you.
is our everything. Like today when I went out, when I came here, he wakes up at namaz wala time. He goes
Acha.
to the masjid to have his namaz, offer his prayers and all of that. Then he comes back and then he sleeps till I guess 9ish. Then he wakes up at 9. Today I told him मुझे जल्दी निकलना है, and he woke up for me and he was like, I can't let you go out without breakfast. You have to eat and then you'll go. Even though I tell him मैं diet पे हूँ, मुझे नहीं खाना. नहीं, आप खा के निकलोगे. So whatever वो बाकी pressure जो होता है ना, societal pressure, घर का pressure, we don't have that. हमारे लिए पापा ने हमें बस एक चीज, you focus on your work. And that's what we do. And इसीलिए मैं बोली ना, मुझे नहीं लगता कि किसी और मर्द में पर से इतनी पेशेंस होगी या इतना वो गिविंग अपनी डॉटर्स के लिए होगा जो मेरे फादर ने किया. इट्स इनसेन. मतलब वो आई डोंट थिंक सो आई कैन बी वैसा पार्टनर. नॉट जस्ट अ पार्टनर बट लाइक अ फादर. आई कांट बी मदर लाइक दैट, सो सेल्फलेस. इट इज इनसेन. सो आई गिव इसका सारा क्रेडिट टू माय फादर. ये बैलेंसिंग, सुबह जल्दी उठना. लाइक मैं उठती हूँ सुबह, जब मैं कश्मीर में होती हूँ, ही मेक श्योर ही गेट्स मी अ कप ऑफ कहवा every morning
so
at 5:30 in the morning. He gets me a कहवा and I get annoyed. पापा मेरी मीटिंग है, आपको क्या हो गया? But he's like, नहीं पियो आप, फिर मैं जा रहा हूँ. He doesn't interfere in our stuff. He doesn't really ask us questions. हमें कुछ भी करना हो, he's like, yeah, whatever, do it, don't worry. But it's all because of him. Whatever I'm doing, it's because of my father.
So
Just because of
you
him.
are your father's daughter.
100%. He has sacrificed for us his whole life, and I can never repay him. Like my mother passed away when she was 31. What would have my father been?
Sorry.
Like 34, 35, 36?
Oh God.
I'll be 31 in December. So मेरे से कुछ साल ही बड़े होते मेरे father. For the full life ahead of himself. He could have done anything. But he chose not to. He chose us. So it's all big. I can't take away that from him. It's him, just him. And obviously Allah.
Takes a man to do that.
Yes. Yeah. So I think, it's him.
Yeah. That's lovely actually.
Yeah.
Okay. So is it just you and your sisters, मतलब ये सब deal करना, all the process, or have you employed people as well?
So we have a social media team basically, but my sister is from this area of taking care of brands. She's done it in her career actually.
Okay.
So she's never happy with other person's work for some reason.
Okay. हिसाब कुछ नहीं हुआ.
Yeah, उसको पसंद ही नहीं है.
अच्छा ठीक.
ये क्यों अच्छा नहीं है, वो क्यों अच्छा नहीं है. So she takes it on herself to do it. So I'll give it to her. Operations I handle, but most of the things is वो ही handle करती है. I do the back end because I come from the back end career ना, तो मुझे पसंद है वो सब देखना. पैसा कहाँ आया, पैसा कहाँ गया. Mohit is our fabric guy, so Mohit ने phone क्यों नहीं उठाया. So ये सब मेरा काम है.
Okay.
She's the face.
Okay.
So I want her to be like that. So it's that. Employed, we don't have anybody right now except our social media team. They are hired by us, so they don't directly work for us,
Okay.
but we are the clients actually.
Okay.
So I can't say that we've hired them, in house. So we have our social media team, and then it's me and my sister for now.
Okay.
Maybe in the
But
future.
you are planning to expand eventually.
Yeah. And we have planned to do it in Kashmir only. We want to. I've spoken to a guy also. He's a very nice guy. He's from Gandarbal actually.
Okay.
Very experienced. Also, we want him to manage our stuff in Kashmir. So we have this that we want to do it in. Like we don't want to base it out of Delhi. We want to base it out of Khan actually. We want to base it out of Kashmir. We want to have an office here in Kashmir, and we will employ our people here only.
So talking about this matcha thing, because you said like you get it from Japan only, right?
Yeah.
Like, is it possible to cultivate it in India?
No, I don't think so. No, I
Not
don't
at
think so. China does it, I believe, but Japan has been doing it since like.
So you're getting the
Centuries.
authentic
Yeah.
matcha
Yeah.
to India.
Yeah. That was my main goal.
Okay.
That was my main goal to do it here. Okay, whatever we're getting the best quality and from the best place.
Lovely.
वही था plan और
That's great,
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वही किया.
Tell me that. मतलब
The
matcha
name.
matcha क्यों रखा है नाम?
कोई बैक स्टोरी नहीं है, कोई रोना धोना नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. There's a friend of mine. We were just discussing names and she was like, babe, why don't you name it as Watcha Matcha? And I was like, yeah, sure. And that's it. There's no story.
ऐसे हवा में.
हवा पे.
matcha matcha. मतलब उसको click
कुछ
कैसे हो गया?
पता नहीं. And I was like, it's a cool name, yeah, let's go ahead. And मैं labels के बारे में क्योंकि मेरा माल आ गया था, you know.
पता नहीं matcha matcha.
सामान कश्मीर में था, माचा कश्मीर आई थी. It was not even in Delhi.
अच्छा.
माचा फ्रिज में था. मेरी बैंड बजी हुई थी, माचा खराब हो जाएगी. वॉचा माचा जो मैं बढ़िया कोशर माचा बाहर नहीं रख सकते बिकॉज जब कोशर माचा बाहर मैं ब्रांड का नाम भी रखना चाहती थी. But then there's this friend of mine, he said कि don't do that because it will confuse your consumer. They'll think कि कश्मीर की माचा है because we don't grow matcha.
Yeah, exactly.
And I was like, yeah, makes sense. फिर उसका नाम हीरा है मेरी दोस्त है. And she was like,
okay.
वॉचा माचा. मैं बोला हाँ बहन वॉचा माचा ही कर देते हैं. लेबल वाले को कॉल करो, भैया लेबल स्टार्ट करो. मेरे को माचा.
She'll take credit for this, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have to give credit where it's due. I can't be like I did it all. There are many people involved.
It's always a collective effort.
Yeah, of course. You can't be the brain of everything. It's people around you. It's family. It's your friends. Everybody.
So you said that आपने अपनी जो आपकी mother है, late mother, उनके लिए आपने एक clothing brand start किया है by the name of Khan.
Yes, just Khan.
Yeah, Khan.
That's it.
Okay. What is the story behind that?
So it's my sister's brainchild, basically.
Okay.
I'm not into fashion. Probably I look like made up today, but I'm not. I'm your trouser t-shirt girl, happy in that, but she is more into fashion. Unfortunately, fortunately, she got the good genes in our family. She looks like my father, who's very handsome. She got my mother's, fashion sense. And it was her brainchild. She was like, let's do this.
Okay.
And she wanted to name it Khan because our mother's last name is Khan.
Okay.
And we wanted to do it for her, basically. Not her, but, for women like her. Reason is because whenever I've told you earlier also, whenever we talk to anybody about our mother, कि हम यास्मीन खान की बेटी हैं, A, people cry. B, they always talk about good things. I've never ever heard anybody not liking her. Even her, हम शादियों पे भी जाते हैं ना, like people, I don't know, they start crying for some reason. But then they always say good things about her.
Okay.
Always. She was fierce. She took care of her family after her father passed away. She was the anchor in her family. And she was very strong-willed. वो अपने भाइयों को भी मारती थी बेचारों को. And she was a fashionista. Like she has changed the fashion game in Gandarbal.
Okay.
Both, she was into it. So we like, it's her thing. Let's dedicate it to her.
Mhm.
And we wanted it to do for women for from 26 to 60.
Okay.
We wanted to keep it modest in a
Mhm.
way, not modest. I don't want to say कि हमारा पूरा abaya version है ऐसा कुछ ऐसा नहीं. Indie style
Mhm.
where we're doing modern but modest style so that everybody can wear it.
Okay.
It is size inclusive.
Mhm.
Anybody can wear it.
So it's a flexible wear.
Flexible, very
Mhm.
very happy, flexible wear.
Be you wear.
Yeah, you can wear it to your office, you can wear it at home, you can
Mhm.
wear it to a party because we have pieces like that and we've very intricately also chosen our fabrics, even the buttons that we've selected. We have had there is a factory,
Mhm.
unse humne बनवाए हैं fabrics
Wow.
so that consumer first. I don't know why it is in our head. हम लोग का हमेशा consumer first ही है. Even buttons we chose very intricately. सब कुछ thread work, everything has been done very very intricately. I don't want to talk about it a lot because अभी launch नहीं हुआ है. But yeah, it is for our mother.
Mhm.
But company का नाम पापा के नाम से शुरू होता है, so पापा को भी credit
Okay.
मिल रहा है.
That's true.
Not taking anything from him also.
Okay, so are you planning to have a store for it or online ही अभी शुरू
We'll
करना
do
है?
it online for the first 2 years.
Mhm.
For the first 2 years, because again, bootstrap,
Mhm.
our own money. We haven't taken any money from the market,
Okay.
even not from our father. इसमें शनावर और मेरा अपना investment गया है सारा.
Okay.
So we want to keep it bootstrap for the first 2 years. See what happens.
Mhm.
Understand the market first, because
Yes.
when you go into the market, you take your vision. You know,
Yes.
you take your aspiration, your vision, and your mood board.
Yes.
When you're into the market, but when you are in the market, then you understand your consumer.
Yes.
क्योंकि
What they want.
consumer को चाहिए.
Mm.
इसीलिए we're not doing anything physical for the first 2 years.
Okay, first year.
100% not. Yeah.
Okay.
उसके बाद hopefully. But matcha का जल्दी होगा.
Mhm.
Very soon. Very soon.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's great to hear. So, Macha ji, before we conclude this episode, let's move to a rapid fire round.
Of course.
Okay. Coffee or matcha?
Matcha, of course.
Mhm. Corporate or startup garage?
To be honest, I don't know.
I don't know. I knew it. I knew it.
I'm like, I can't leave corporate.
Uh-huh.
It's a problem, I think. I should seek therapy. I don't know.
I
Both.
agree with you.
Both.
And it's at some point it becomes your escapism.
I like working. लोग बोर होते हैं ना, मैं नहीं होती.
Hmm?
I like working. Touch wood, नजर ना लगे.
Oh, so sweet. Okay, Kashmir or Delhi?
Oh, Kashmir, any day. I
Hmm?
love Kashmir.
Mm-hmm. You keep
Delhi
coming
bhi?
back to.
Yeah, Kashmir, I've lived in Delhi for the last 12 years.
Mm-hmm.
I'm based there. I live there. It's my home.
Hmm.
But when I moved there, I didn't come to Kashmir for the first 3-4 years because I was so done. I was like, oh, I don't like Kashmir. But then I had to come for my father and all of that. But then I think Kashmir has a thing, it pulls you back.
Yeah. You can take the man out
It
the
calls
city.
you back.
Not the city out the man.
Yes. So
Mhm.
Kashmir, 110%.
Yes. Risk or comfort?
Risk any day.
Morning person or night owl?
Morning. Yeah, I wake up really early, so morning.
Yeah.
Morning.
Profit or purpose?
Purpose, 100%.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that is 100%.
Okay.
But profit भी. पैसे तो चाहिए. Like,
ऐसे चाहिए.
both, yeah. Both.
Okay. One entrepreneur you admire the most?
I admire the most entrepreneur.
Mm.
I think I've seen a lot of Kashmiri girls doing a lot of things.
Mm.
Abhi recently, I've
Mhm.
been looking at a lot of Kashmiri girls. My elder sister, I'm carrying her.
Okay.
Dress. It's called Berries.
Berries.
She just started her brand, okay?
Okay.
And she's been so resilient in her thing. She's
Mhm.
worked really hard, and she's married. She has a child. She doesn't have the liberty that I have to do
Mhm.
whatever I want to do, wake up whenever I want to do. She doesn't have that. She has to take care of her kid, her husband, her family, and then her brand as well.
Okay.
So I think the way she has done it,
Mhm.
I really applaud her. Like I look up to her. Apart from my family, I think Malika,
Mhm.
my best friend, she was here.
Okay. Yeah.
She's done an amazing job. Apart from my friend, I would definitely say Insha.
Oh.
She is the owner of RK.
Mm-hmm.
She's a very kind person. I've met her. She's my friend. But apart from her being my friend, she's built her brand like crazy. So yeah, all the women in Kashmir. I love all of them.
Okay.
Women entrepreneurs. Let's go.
Okay. One last question.
Yeah.
Okay. She means business because
She wants money.
she wants money. That's so true
पैसा
and
चाहिए.
honest.
Yeah, I mean, let's not sugarcoat stuff.
No.
यार, पैसा चाहिए. यार. Everything is so expensive. Bhaji used to come for 10 rupees. Now, by pyaz pehle. Now it's like 60 rupees. Come on.
You're so cute. I
want
must
money. Thanks.
Everybody wants money and it's a
100%.
necessity.
I
Like
hope
it or
people
not.
don't hate me for this.
No, they won't. They should not.
I hope so.
I mean, how are you going to survive?
It's very important. Everything is expensive.
Mm.
You want money, you want luxury. You want your kids to have fun. The way, like, I have had the best life as a kid, and I want my children,
You
if
would
I
want
have,
Yeah.
a better life than
Have
me.
the
So,
same
of
for your
course,
kids.
money is important. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So, Alize,
Thank you for having me.
what a matcha conversation we had
Thank
with you. It
you.
was so lovely.
Same. I loved coming. I was so nervous at the beginning, but you made it so comfortable. Thank you. And you're so young. You're younger than my younger sister. It's insane.
It was lovely having you.
Same.
And we wish you all the best ahead. And
Thank
I
you.
am preparing myself to have your matcha very soon.
Of course, I'll send
Okay.
it over. Perfect.
Thank you.
Thanks
Thank you
for
so
having
much. So, lovely peoples, what a cute and greeny conversation we had today. So, we had a very crisp and catchy conversation with Alize. And इस पूरे conversation में मुझे बहुत मजा आया. सिर्फ एक चीज मेरे जहन में थी, वो ये रही कि the dream that you have, if it has a proper vision, तो जो सरहदें हैं वो सिर्फ नक्शों पर रह जाते हैं. फिलहाल आज के लिए इतना ही. We are looking out for more women in business out there. Stay tuned, stay updated, and keep watching Kashmir Life. Ta-da!